Let's look at this one. The same way, let's follow the story. Okay, let's do what? Follow the story. Let's see what the price is doing. I'm going to use white in this particular scenario. Price was coming down. Price was coming down like this. Okay, and eventually went up, making here to be a zone. This is the last resistance, which madam, very good, last resistance support. And something I want to add here is I like your numbering. You wanted me to see how the story was developing. Very good. Because if you don't number it, I won't understand which one comes first. So good for implementing what I've been talking about. Price now turned this way, meaning that if before this was the zone I was looking at, because price has turned, the zone I will now be looking at will be from here to here, which you drew, but you did not follow the. It's supposed to be on the candle body, not the wicks. Candle body. I don't know if you saw the video I published for you to watch. If you did, you wouldn't be sending me on the wicks. So go back and take your time to see them again. With that being said, let's look at this. Price broke. If price changes direction, always wait for retest or retracement, which it did. You see this bullish candle? This bearish candle broke and closed below this support with bottom wick. Very beautiful. Stop loss here. This is how I would have taken this trade. Exactly to the T. Even if price is closing small like this, these candles, this group like this is an indication of weakness from the sellers. In some occasion, I would look at what time of the day is this happening. If this is happening during break time, whether London break or New York session break, I will assume that um, the traders are disinterested in taking price down. But if this is happening during confluence between London and New York, or very high impact news, or maybe very period of volatility, I'm going to be cautious, and it might trigger me to close some of my positions. It might trigger me to close some of my positions, wait for price to even break it again, enter another position here with my stop loss here. If this continues in this stylish movement, I would even wait for what I call on the spot, not I call it, that is what it's called. Just to be filled, it's called market order. I will just enter buy as soon as price is breaking this low here. Enter buy and anticipate price to come down. But that one is a different strategy. Again, like I always tell you, there are so many strategies. All you need to do is master this one I'm teaching you now, and the other ones will be coming with time. They'll be coming with time. Okay, I'm even teaching you beyond what my own mentor taught me, because I have done my own due diligence, I have done my own research. That is up to you now. This particular trade, very beautiful. Like I said, this is exactly how I would have entered. Now this is my entry. Yep, I entered. This is my stop loss. Around here, which is 1:1, will be my TP. Then I'm going to leave runner. I don't know why you did this golden zone here, but I want to assume that you saw something to the left, which is support. Okay, but for this candle to give me this kind of wick, I want to believe that my support is higher than this. For this candle to give me wick like this, support is higher than this. Support to be a little bit higher than this. If you go back to maybe 4 hours, your support could be somewhere here or here, for price to reject like this. And if you see how price has started dying out gradually. This is an indication that there is support here. There is support here, and price is either disinterested and wants to turn back upwards. So this particular trade, beautiful. This is how I trade it. Wait for price to change, as in to turn. Don't just jump and start taking sales. Wait for retracement. Okay. After that retracement, wait for candle to break that. Everything I have taught you so far, all you are just doing now is implementing them. It's as easy as ABC. Everything I've taught you, all you're doing now is applying them. That is just it. It's just like the same process you go to school, what you learn in primary one, you learn in primary two, you learn in primary three. When you get to primary six, or when you're doing your common entrance exam for JS1, you start writing, they'll be asking you questions that is as if they're asking you from your primary one to primary six. The same thing when you're writing your senior certificate exam or even junior certificate. They will not just ask you what you did in JS3. They will ask you from JS1, JS2, and JS3. So when I'm asking you to concentrate on the 1 hour chart, I want you to break it down on one time frame. Multi-time frame is what I just taught you to have a knowledge of what you should understand. You understand? Whereby the 1 hour time frame is your big boy, your 30 minutes can be your precision time frame where you're trading or you're trying to take your trades. You understand? But now I want you to concentrate on just the 1 hour time frame. Have a good understanding of it. You can do a lot of magic on the 1 hour time frame. The 30 minutes, a lot of magic can be done as well, but you don't start driving a tipper without understanding the mechanics behind it. In other words, master this 1 hour time frame first before you start going into multi-time frame analysis, because that one will come with time. Okay, so that is it for this second one. Let's move on to the last one.